starts a gentle tap upon the shingles' wooden lap. 1,000 tiny silver feet to make the summer's cooling sweet. The dust of the day is washed away in a soft and liquid disarray, while tucked inside the rafters home, a steady song upon the roof of heaven's grace, a falling proof, a lullaby in shades of gray that carries all our care. Every thirsty grain, the mercy found within the rain. Let my teaching fall like rain, like abundant rain on tender plants. Drip by drop the evening sighs beneath the weeping heavy skies. Dry and safe we find our rest by the music of the clouds.